Okay, so what we're going to do is just do a brief overview of how to install this water softener device. So first you've got to pick where you're going to install this. Is it going to go beside the Kangen? Is it going to go behind the Kangen? And then you're going to run this hose to your tap. Of course you can have a different tap to the one like this, hopefully, where you can screw this onto the tap like that. And then we need to find somewhere in this hose, depending on where you've installed this. Again, it could be here and you've got this behind the Kangen. You want to find a place on the hose once it's installed where you're going to be able to install this device like that. So it'll be installed somewhere along the line where it's hidden, if you want it to be hidden, and you're going to chop this line, and let's just pretend we've got one end here that it's been chopped. You're going to remove this collar, install it, press the hose on, install the collar on the hose, and then you're going to do the same for the other side. Obviously we didn't cut it in the middle, we're just using the end, so I can't show that. But you can imagine if it was sat like that, it would just, as the water run through this to this filter, it would remove all the hard water. And then the Kangen white hose just then plugs on the end of here. So that's going to prevent hard water going into your Kangen.